Hi friends. Today we are making a special dish, which you use it as a side dish or try it as a breakfast dish. Mashed jackfruit. It's a traditional Kerala delicacy. We call it Chakka Puzhukku. The first part is slicing jackfruit bulbs into small. Yes, it's little time-consuming job. Grease your hands with some oil, so that sticky gum won't bother your hands. Don't forget to slice those jackfruit seeds too. And, if you are watching our videos for the first time, please consider subscribing our channel. This YouTube channel is a part of a blog which is trying to collect and preserve local traditional recipes for next generation. So each like or share you are giving will make us more confident to do more videos like this. Raw jackfruit, the source for vitamin C, potassium and dietary fiber. It helps to control diabetes, control weight and can keep the body in an healthy way. Regular use help to reduce the chance of cancer too. And if you are a vegan, you can substitute raw jackfruit instead of meat. Wash them well and keep it aside. We need at least 4 cups of jackfruit slices. Next we will prepare coconut paste. We need 3 cups of fresh grated coconut. Add 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 2 to 3 shallots and some water, about 2 teaspoons is enough. Make it into a paste and keep it aside. Here I'm using a stone vessel, locally called as Congee. If it's not available you can use any other thick bottom vessel. And if you are using stone vessel, don't use it in high flame. First pour some oil into it, add jackfruit seeds. Add some water, and we will cook it half. Jackfruit slices cook easy, but for jackfruit seeds, it needs some more time, so we cook it first. Okay, when it cooked, add sliced jackfruit slices. Add some turmeric powder, chili powder. I used half teaspoon and 1½ teaspoon respectively. Mix it and cook it well, closed. And don't forget to add enough salt. Add salt only after it's semi-cooked. Mix well. And next add coconut paste and combine well. Close with lid and cook well till everything cooked well. On final stage, we will add a spring curry leaves and a teaspoon coconut oil. And mix well. It's the simple mashed jackfruit. You can try it with congee or eat itself as a breakfast dish. If you like our video, please like and share it. We will meet in next video. Till then, thank you.